Trim my dog's nails with me with this 2-in-1 pet trimmer and grinder. This is his before. What I love about this is there's a LED light. That way you can see they're quick. That way you don't hurt them. This definitely eases my mind when it comes to trimming their nails. Very beginner friendly.
Good boy.
My dog didn't seem to mind the grinding as much, and this definitely helps with smoothing out the nail. And this is his after. I also love that when you're trimming their nails, it comes in this little compartment. That way it's not getting all over the floor.